The empty classroom. While the world fights the COVID-19 pandemic and the students await their return to the classroom, this is how the team of teachers at Kendriya Vidyalaya Gumla are dealing with the challenging times.
Good morning, friends. During this pandemic scene, lives of people have changed. Not necessarily for good, but it's hard for people to cope up with it. Forget children, even adults are facing problems adjusting to the situation. So, as we hail from education sector, it becomes our duty to make learning happen for children in order for them to secure a better life. Looking around, one can notice technology has changed all over. Even in normal school routine, smart learning are a part of teaching aid. So, let's try and do the same to provide inclusive learning to our students at home. Here is few things one can do for the smooth functioning of the routine classes. Number 1, teachers can take classes on a common platform, be it Google Meet, GeoMeet or any other, so that students do not get confused. Times are tough now, so cope with this and maintain mental peace. Art, music and work education can really soothe mind. So along with other subjects, art and music classes should also be scheduled. For parents to get regular updates, timetables should be uploaded on the school website. Next, online parents meets should also be scheduled for the same. Online staff meeting for the regular updates should also be organized. Phone calls also made for the children and parents so that they can update with the online classes. For now, these are few of the things that school can do.
मैं मिस पूनम भाई केंद्रीय विद्यालय गुमला की शिक्षिका आज कुछ बातें करने जा रही हूँ ऑनलाइन क्लास के बारे में। बच्चों की कई बार कंप्लेंट रहती है तो बच्चा बोलता है कि दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, तो उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि ज़रूरी नहीं हम उस पर 10 मिनट बच्चे को वही बताते रहें कि अपने फ़ोन में ये चेक कि बाकी सभी को दिखाई दे रहा है, एक बच्चे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, हो सकता है ये उसके फ़ोन की प्रॉब्लम है। तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे कि बच्चे को बोलेंगे कि आप अपनी बुक में देखिए और ध्यान से सुनिए और उसको समझने का प्रयास करेगा। और एक प्रॉब्लम ऑनलाइन क्लास में ये आती है कि कुछ बच्चे हैं जिनके पास एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल ही नहीं है, पढ़ने में अच्छे बच्चे लेकिन एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल उपलब्ध ना होने की वजह से अपना काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो हम कम से कम इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं कि बच्चे को डेली कॉल मैसेज के थ्रू ये बता सके कि आज हमने ये पढ़ा, लेसन ये, पेज नंबर ये, तो बच्चा उसको पढ़ेगा। अगर उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है जैसे कि उसको कोई मीनिंग पूछना है, कोई क्वेश्चन बेसिक, तो वो मैसेज के थ्रू या ऐसे कॉल के थ्रू पूछ सकता है।
The challenges of teaching such a large number of students from varied age groups and varied backgrounds online are massive, but the COVID-19 pandemic has left us no other option. The most vital amongst these is the great disparity regarding the availability of smart devices and network capabilities, especially in the case of a suburban area like Gumla. The approach towards the delivery of the teaching learning process also varies greatly, primarily based on the subject being taught. While some prefer the chalk and talk methodology, have been successfully using YouTube Live as a tool to reach the students. Some prefer more interactivity and are delivering interactive classes using tools like Google Meet, etc. Some others are finding it more suitable to make animated videos which are more interesting to the students. Assignments are being conducted using tools like Google Forms, and suitable feedback is being provided to individual students. While the classroom is empty, the class continues. Looking forward to meeting our students.